Hello everyone, today I'll guide you through using your UK e-visa. The Home Office is moving to a digital system, so it's important to understand this. Step 1. Finding the correct website. Find the correct government website. Go to gov.uk and search View and Prove Your Immigration Status. Ensure you're on the official site before proceeding. Step 2. Starting the process. On the correct page, click Start Now to begin. Have important information ready. Step 3. Preparing your documents. You'll need the ID linked to your immigration status. This could be your passport, national ID, or BRP. Make sure you have the document number handy. Step 4. Enter your details, enter your document number and date of birth. Double-check to ensure they're correct. Step 5. Identity verification. A security code will be sent to your email or phone. The code expires in 5 minutes, so enter it quickly. Step 6. Viewing your status. Once verified, see your digital immigration profile. It shows your current status and rights in the UK. Step 7. Sharing your status. To prove your status to an employer or landlord, look for the Share Your Status option. You'll need to provide a reason for sharing your status. Step 8. Generating a share code. The system will generate a share code. Give this code and your date of birth to your employer or landlord. The code is valid for 30 days. Conclusion. Remember, this digital system means no physical document. Keep your login details and contact information up to date. We hope this guide helps you navigate the e-visa system. Thank you for watching and good luck with your UK immigration journey.